In today's video, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can zoom in and out of your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So the first way that you can zoom in and out of your spreadsheet would be with this tool right here. So we have our zoom tool, which would allow us to zoom in and out of the actual spreadsheet right here. So if I were to zoom out 50%, that is what it's going to look like. It's only zooming out this spreadsheet right here and not your tools or your menu options right here. It's only going to zoom in and zoom out of your spreadsheet. So if we select zoom in, let's go to 200%. There you have it. Again, it's only the spreadsheet that's zooming in. The normal view for our spreadsheet would be 100%, and there you have it. Another way that you can zoom in and out of your spreadsheet would be to press on Control or Command key on your keyboard, then scroll forward and backward with your mouse pointer. Here you will see that I have this one right here appearing, telling me that we are now 250% zoomed in on our spreadsheet, and the current window is too small to properly display this sheet. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Again, that's by pressing the Control or the Command key on your keyboard and just scrolling up and down, forward or back with your mouse pointer. If you want to reset that, just click on the zoom icon at the address bar on the right side. There we go, reset. Again, that's 100% and also 100% with our zoom tool here in Google Sheet. And there you have it. Those are two easy ways of how you can zoom in and out of your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.